What is up, Packet people? Well, if you're like me, you love Wireshark, and you love learning more about packets in general. And you might even be studying for the Wireshark Certified Analyst that was launched just last year by the Wireshark Foundation. But the question is, how can I know if I'm ready to really sit that certification? Now, for many of you, you've been able to sit my Wireshark Certified Analyst training on demand, and that course goes through all the objectives that are needed to pass the cert. But for some of you, you might be thinking, I just want to get more hands-on with Wireshark. I don't want a full course. Well, for that, I've partnered with Oliver, and if you haven't met Oliver before, he is a seasoned analyst in the Wireshark community, and Oliver has built a platform called WiresharkLabs. Now, on WiresharkLabs, there's a full suite of labs that have been built that align to the Wireshark Certified Analyst certification objectives. And as you work through each lab, you'll be given a packet capture, and then you'll be asked questions about it. Now, the nice thing about Oliver's labs is they allow for input validation. So you take a look at the PCAP, you answer the questions, and you'll immediately know if your answer was correct or not. Additionally, he also gives details about why that was the correct answer or not. Of course, there's a point system, and that leads to the leaderboard, which lets you see where you are in the greater packet community. Now, there's an introductory price for these Wireshark Labs, so don't wait too long to go check it out. So go check it out, Packet people. No doubt this will be a good resource to help you get ready for the WCA Cert. All right, take care, everybody. Keep on capturing.